jungle, green and wide. Baby elephant loves to glide with every step. He loves to say, the ABCs are fun today. ABC in the jungle trees, learning letters with the B's. D, E, F with friends around, jungle letters all around. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for birds flying overhead. C is for cat, sneaking through. D is for drum with a jungle tune. A, B, C in the jungle trees, learning letters with the B's. G, H, I, we shout with cheer, baby elephants always near. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, who sings a song. G is for giraffe with spots so bright. H is for hippo, splashing with delight. Jumping loud, toot toot. Stomp your feet, stomp stomp. Say your letters loud and clear. Learning ABC is fun right here. X, Y, Z we learn today. Baby elephant shows the way. Jungle ABCs, hooray! We'll learn and play every day. As the sun sets low and deep, baby elephant drifts to sleep, dreaming of letters 1, 2, 3, the jungle's ABC.